Well, my flashlight story goes back to 1999, and I was on a path of, do I go to college or do I go down this other unknown road? And my grandfather, who was a tradesman, my grandfather was a craftsman, and he told me a long time ago, you're either going to use this or you're going to use these. And that's when I got in the trade, and I go, yeah, my grandfather was right. He bought me all my tools, made sure that I had everything I needed to go to war with properly, and to see what it flourished to 26 years later, and I'm still in the trade. It's important to me, and I think part of the Goettl legacy, it's part of my legacy now.
What is my flashlight story? I literally grew up exactly like the commercial says. My dad had an air conditioning company right here in Las Vegas, and he'd pick me up after school. You know, I was probably only this high, and we'd go work on air conditioners, and yeah, at night my job was to hold that flashlight or carry the tools, or hey, go get me this, go get me that. You know, that's how I learned. For me, air conditioning has never been a job. This isn't a job for me. I don't think I work here. This is what I do. I'm here because this is my life. This is how I grew up. It's pretty cool to be able to work in a place that's really just your hobby.
Actually, I'm old enough to remember holding the flashlight from my dad, holding the wrenches, the screwdrivers. So that all hit a spot with me. When I heard the story about Ken Goodrich and his dad, I was like, oh gosh, I did that. You know, we all did that. And I got yelled at because I started chasing bugs with the flashlight or whatever I was doing.